What is good, YouTube? Man, it's your boy JR. We are back here with another video, and this is a very positive video that we having this morning. Man, I woke up early this morning, man. Got up and cut my grass. After that, I said, you know what, let me go hit the gym. But in doing that, let's ride the bike while we going to the gym too. Still kind of early, so it's about 80 degrees. It's a cool 80 though. But yeah, man, so the topic of this video is the fact that Mountain Motorsports sent me a text message and said, hey, we have your parts on order, and we wanted to let you know that as soon as they come in, we will give you a call so you can bring in your bike for recall repairs. Now, if you all remember in one of my recent videos, I did say it would be great if I hit my break-in miles around the time when the recall parts would be in and it was time to get the repair. So this is a really great thing because I don't have to pay for my break-in service, because obviously they're going to do an oil change when they change the parts. That's amazing. So I really hope that you guys out there have the same luck. If you have a 25 Kawasaki ZX6R, I hope that you guys have been safe while you're out there riding them still, because I know a lot of us just really don't give a damn. I mean, we say, hey, recall's a recall. A bunch of bikes have recalls. But yeah, I hope you guys have been safe out there with y'all bikes and everything, man. In other news, I am currently riding in sport mode, bro. This is my first ride in sport mode. And to be honest with you, I didn't even realize that I was riding in sport mode. I think at some point I might have been sifting through some menu options or something, and it just changed to sport mode, and I said, you know what? That's the universe telling me it's time. It's time, bro, to take this thing to the next level. So we riding in sport mode now for life. Unless it's raining, God forbid, I hope I don't get caught out in the rain. I'm not trying to do all that slick road stuff, even though I know we can't ride these bikes in the rain. Not trying to do that. Still trying to be safe as possible. Even though right now I am not wearing a jacket, I'm headed to the gym. This is literally like a 5-7 minute ride, and I know it don't take no time for something to happen, but it's a real chill ride, y'all. Don't be like me. Wear your gear. You spend a lot of money on it. Use it. But anyway, man, so I just wanted to holler at y'all real quick and let y'all know those two things, man. Riding in sport mode, to me, is really the same. I mean, it's only a couple options of things that changes when you put it in sport mode, and that's the power of the bike and the traction level. So we're already at full power when we go into road mode, and the traction in road mode, I believe, is at like 2. So with sport, I believe it's down to like 1. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, riding in sport mode is cool, man. I'm not tripping on it. And yeah, bro, I'm just really excited about being able to get this recall repair done and not have to pay for my break-in service, because that break-in service, with everything it consists of, I mean, it's about $270 to $300. That's what they told me. So yes, that's some good money I'm gonna be saving right there. And I really hope that the bike comes out, you know, running the same or better, you know. So, and I hope that works out for y'all too, man. But anyway, it's kind of a short video, but I just wanted to fill y'all in on the information that I got. And let me know how this audio sounds, man, because I'm using a Lavalier mic, the DJI Lavalier mic. So it's no more wireless mic. I was using the DJI Mic Mini. If you saw my last video when I unboxed my MacBook Pro, I was using the Mic Mini for that. And that's the perfect scenario. It's a perfect scenario to use that kind of mic in. But doing that out here when you're going at high speeds and stuff, I mean, it's cool, but you don't have to worry about, you know, the battery going dead, accidentally leaving it on. I mean, you do have the option to have it turn off automatically, but then let's say if you start recording, you got to remember to turn it back on. It doesn't turn on automatically. So there is that. But with this lavalier mic, plug it in, press record, and go. So y'all let me know how it sounds, man. If this your first time at the channel, you like the video and the information that I provide, hit that like button, drop a comment below, chat, let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you know when I'm posting videos. Anyway, man, it's your boy JR. I will holler at you on the next one, man. Peace.